there was some leaders that met in Oghiadomhe's house today. I want to advise them. They should not provoke the will of the people. My advice for them, they should not provoke the will of the people. Because when the people are provoked, it will be difficult to hold them. I'm just advising. Was the deputy governor of Edo State that will contest or do any meeting without Oghiadomhe. And the PDP is a leadership party. You cannot call a meeting. As far as Edo State is concerned, the governor by convention is the leader of the party, and the deputy governor is the deputy leader of the party, and the leader as far as the donor is concerned. And that is why Oghiadomhe must sanction any meeting, must put a hand in any meeting when he was deputy governor. He must respect institution. Him as deputy governor, he knows the rules. He has acted as deputy governor in these rules before. Now I am deputy governor. Failure to get my endorsement in that meeting, he knows it's an aberration. And for me, it's an insult on the institution of the deputy governor that he once represented. I'm sending this message to him. He should please not provoke the will of the people. He cannot be speaking on behalf of a donor. He cannot. He doesn't have that authority. He does not have that authority. So I want to appeal to all of you, be calm, be calm. So as far as we are concerned, that meeting does not exist. It's null and void.